Hello engineers. How are you all? Welcome again in your channel Royal Civil Engineer. Making paving interlock blocks involves the process of mixing materials, molding the blocks, and curing them to achieve the desired strength and durability. Here's a general outline of the steps involved. Materials needed. 1. Cement. 2. Sand. 3. Fine aggregates, e.g., crushed stone. 4. Water. 5. Color pigments, optional, for colored blocks. 6. Interlocking block molds. Step-by-step guide. Mixing the raw materials. 1. Measure the required quantities of cement, sand, and fine aggregates. 1. The typical ratio is 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts aggregates, but this can vary depending on the specific block design and local standards. 2. Optionally, if you want colored blocks, add color pigments to the mix at this stage and ensure they are evenly distributed. Adding water and mixing. 1. Gradually add water to the dry mix while continuously mixing it. 1. The goal is to achieve a uniform and workable consistency, similar to a thick paste. 1. Avoid adding too much water, as it can weaken the final product. Filling the molds. 1. Prepare the interlocking block molds according to the desired shape and size of the blocks. 1. These molds typically have specific patterns that allow the blocks to interlock with each other. 2. Carefully fill each mold with the mixed concrete. 2. Use a trowel to level the surface and remove any excess. Compacting the concrete. 1. Use a vibrating compactor, also known as a block making machine, to vibrate the molds. 1. This process helps to remove air bubbles and ensure that the concrete fills the mold completely, resulting in a stronger block. Curing the blocks. 1. After the blocks are compacted, they need to cure to gain strength. 1. Curing involves keeping the blocks moist and in a controlled environment for a specific period. 1. This can be done by covering the molds with plastic sheets and periodically wetting them or placing them in a curing chamber. 2. The curing process usually takes around 2-4 weeks, depending on the mix and environmental conditions. Demolding and stacking. 1. Once the blocks have cured and gained enough strength, carefully demold them from the molds. 2. Stack the blocks in a dry and ventilated area to continue curing and strengthening. Quality control. 1. Regularly inspect the blocks for any defects or imperfections. 1. Discard any damaged or weak blocks. Please note that the specific details of the process might vary depending on the block design and the equipment available. If you're planning to produce interlocking blocks on a larger scale, it's essential to ensure that you have the right machinery and follow local regulations and standards for the production of construction materials. Your like is the best motivation for me. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.